This is called a casting. It is the leftover bones and furs and undigestible bits of material that owls and hawks regurgitate after they're done eating. And I found this beauty under an electrical pole out by our backyard, which I've seen great horned owls sit at and also red-shouldered hawks. So I'm not sure which bird regurgitated this mess, but we're going to see what they might have been eating. This one seems to be really hard and difficult to get into. So I'm going to soak it in some water first and loosen it up. But you can also already begin to see some little bones in it. So I'm just soaking the casting for a few minutes to soften it up. So it's softened up nicely, and I'm already seeing some leg bones and a little jaw bone, maybe a mouse. Looks like I might have a whole skull here. So this is what I ended up with. A lot of fur and tiny little bones and some whiskers. Some little, probably leg bones, some of the finer arm bones, some of the finer ones might be ribs. 2 scapula, 2 lower jaws, a skull, and part of the vertebrae. So looking online, it looks like we have the remains of a mouse.